afternoon, welcome to Starbeck. I'm going to be catching this train to Hornbeam Park, and Ruben is going to be racing me on his bike. We're going to see who wins.
I know my routes.
Yes. Okay, apparently I'm going to lose, but we're getting a 170. Lovely little 170. We're going to get that to Hornbeam Park. I'm going to take you the whole way with me, and we're going to see who wins. See you later!
Yeah, that's the first one.
Right, we are now on the train.
Yeah.
Right, we have just set off. We are now going to... We're stopping at Harrogate and then Hornbeam Park. We'll have to see if he's beat us or not. Right, now we're in Harrogate.
Harrogate? Well, which one's that?
Right guys, we're now at Hornbeam. We're getting off. If it works. There we go. Off the train at Hornbeam. And we are here first.
We beat him.
We beat him. Welcome to Hornbeam, guys. Welcome to Hornbeam Park.
Let's make it look like we're leaving the station. So I put on a stopwatch from when the train departed, and we'll see how long it takes Ruben to arrive. See, it's currently 6 minutes 41 and Ruben is nowhere to be seen. So
yeah, this is just so funny. We've beaten him by nearly 7 minutes now.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, hello Ruben. How does it feel to be last?
I hate traffic.
Okay. Okay.
6 minutes 59, nearly 7 minutes.
This is funny.
My route was blocked off. Plus the wind, you've got like wind blowing against you. It was horrible to get up that hill.
Yeah, this is funny. Well, that's why you get the train. Right, so the verdict is, if you get held up by waterworks, then you're going to lose on the bike.
Yeah.
Or wind,
or traffic.
And if you get held up by... if you get held up in Harrogate, then the bike might win, but the train didn't get held up in Harrogate today, so the train is superior. Whoa. Thanks for watching. You got anything to say?
Subscribe to Hornby and Trains.
Subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe to Hornby and Trains and subscribe to me. Bye.
Subscribe to HWB Trains.